Halo, apa kabar kawan-kawan? Welcome back to my LMST story. So this video is about tinted my real lamp. So my lampu belakang dia ada tinted. So as you can see, this one is I tinted my real lamp in 2015. So itu lampu belakang ada tinted. So until now 2020, the tinted already faded out. So looks blur, no shining, because of on the sun outdoor everything. So tu tinted tak cantik lah. Okay, you can see dia punya different lah. When the tinted is new, it's very shining. Then right now the lamp looks very old. Okay, so this video I'm gonna remove this old tinted and replace a new one. So check it out. So as you can see, real lamp still looking very good, like new. The surface is very clean. That means the tinted really protect your lamp lah. Okay, now I'm heading to the accessory shop to replace the new tinted.
Cá. Wow, wow.
So this is the difference of the old tinted and the new tinted. The old one is a bit darker, the new one is not so dark. It's like a original color, original transparent color. So should you do the tinted on your headlight or the real light? Actually, the tinted they got good and bad lah. So ini tinted untuk lampu dia memang ada baik, ada tak baik lah. So kebaikan dia, as you can see, it is really protect your lampu lah, your real lamp. You know, after you remove the tinted, the lamp looks really new and shining. It's really did the protection. But the bad side is if you always park outside, then you will have this problem. Like you can see the picture here, the tinted already like burn into dark, and it will damage your headlight also because the tinted already melted, kan? So the other tak baik lah. For me, I suggest you can tinted the lampu belakang because for headlight the surface is bigger, so it's very easy to burn by the sunlight if you always parking outdoor. If you always parking indoor, then okay lah, no problem, because it really protect your headlight. If you always parking outdoor, I don't suggest you to use the tinted lah. Okay, you will damage your headlight. So ini saja sampai sini my video. So see you all next round for my LMST story. Bye.